viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of cozy handmade holiday craft. In this video we will creating beautiful Christmas decoration using two of the most versatile and budget friendly versatile and budget family friendly felt and fleece. These materials are soft, easy to cut and perfect for giving your home that warm handmade holiday touch. Whether you are decorating your tree, making gifts for loved ones, or just enjoying a festival craft day, this tutorial is filled with ideas that are simple, affordable, and fun for all ages. Let's start with felt ornaments. Felt is one of the easiest fabric to work with because it does not fray. Begin by choosing festival colors: red, green, white, and even glittery gold or silver felt shades. Cut out shapes like star, hearts, Christmas trees, stocking, or even a little gingerbread man. To, to add dimension, you can lay two pieces for felt and lightly stuff them with cotton or fabric scrap. Stitch around the edges the embroidery threads or simply glue them together if you prefer nosy craft. Decorate your ornaments with buttons, beads, sequence of ribbon, punch a small hole at the top, add a loop of thread, and you have got a charming handmade ornaments ready for the tree. Next, let's create a fleece garland. Fleece is soft, cozy, and very forgiving, making it ideal for festival decoration. Cut strip of fleece in holiday colors, maybe red and green or red and white for a candy cane theme or Christmas theme. Tie each strip around a long piece of twine of ribbon. Keep adding strip until you have a fluffy full garland. This garland can be draped over your mantle, around your banister, or even along the Christmas tree. If you want to get extra creative, add small felt shape between the fleece strip and star bells or snowflakes. Now let's talk about mini stockings. These are adorable, easy to make, and perfect for gifting small treats. Trace a stocking shape on felt or fleece. Cut two identical pieces and either sew or glue around the edges. Leave the top open so you can slip in candies, chocolate, or small gifting for your kids. Decorate the ribbon, pom pom, glitters, glue, or cut out felt shape like snowman, Santa hats, or candy cane. Hang these mini stocking on your trees or use them a party favor during your holiday gatherings. Every tree need a little star. Right here how to make a simple felt star topper. Cut out two large star shapes from stiff felt or double layered fleece. Decorate with sequins, metallic thread, or glitter fabric. Paint to make it sparkle. Glue or sew the two pieces together, leaving a small pocket at the bottom where you can slide in a cardboard tube or stick. This will make it easy to attach to the top of your Christmas tree. It's lightweight, charming, and adds that handmade touch to your holiday centerpiece. These are articles tutorial also in on our channel. You can visit our channel and watch all tutorial how to make it. So gather your material, put on your favorite Christmas music, and start creating magic with your hands. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to bell icon and must post your comment and your thoughts, which is very important for us. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.